everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here. I'm not wearing my chef's hat today because my human sister, when I got my haircut, wanted me to have a mohawk. And so I wanted you to see my mohawk, and the lady also dyed it red. So I don't know if you can tell that or not, but this is my new haircut. I don't know how I feel about it. Sometimes I feel embarrassed, and my human dad makes fun of me and says I look funny. But I'm just trying to deal with it and my self-esteem right now. But my human sister did this to me, and I won't forget it. Anyway, it's gotten cold here, and I have to wear a sweater now. And is it cold where you are? We are excited because Thanksgiving's coming up. Well, I'm especially excited because somebody's going to take care of me while my family is on vacation. And they're going to have their Thanksgiving, so perhaps they might drop me some food. I don't know. We'll see. She seems to like me, so maybe. Anyway, so I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving coming up. And this recipe today is from one of our favorites on YouTube, Mama Ray Ray in the Kitchen. She had this recipe called the best pasta dish ever. And you know my mom's Italian, so she wanted to see what that was all about. We love making pasta. So that's what she made today. And this one's kind of spicy. It's got a kick to it, and you'll see that when you watch the video. But shout out to Mama Ray Ray. Love you, Mama Ray Ray. And I just wanted to let you guys know, if you're not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and here's my mom, Chef Yoda the dog, out.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Monday meal, and as Chef Yoda the dog said, we are making one of our favorite chefs, Mama Ray Ray in the Kitchen, her best pasta dish ever. That is the name of this recipe, so I had to give it a try, being Italian, of course. So she used a pound of ground meat, and we are using a pound of ground venison for ours, so it's deer in there. And then we've got some seasoning, so let me tell you what's in there. So far we have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and half of an onion. So I used half a cup of easy onion. That is what is in there so far. So once that cooks up, I am going to show you what we do next. All right, I'm back. We have got our sauce all together. Let me tell you what I just added to it. So we used 2 cups of chicken broth. She said beef broth or whatever broth you have, or a bouillon cube, and 2 cups of water. So that's what I added, is 2 cups of chicken broth. Then 1.5 teaspoons of tomato paste, 2 dashes of Worcestershire sauce, which I can't have because it has soy in it. So this is my substitute, coconut aminos. Then a can of diced tomatoes, a can of Rotel or diced tomatoes with green chilies. I did not drain any of that because she did not, from what I could tell. And then half of a jar of spaghetti sauce. I am using 13 ounces, which would be half of a jar, a normal jar. I looked that up. A normal jar is 26 ounces, so half would be 13, so about 1.5 cups. So I added 1.5 cups of pasta sauce, this Prego sauce, and then a pinch of sugar. Now remember, this one is a 2-to-1, so even smaller than a pinch of this kind of sugar, and that is what is in here. Then you want to taste it, which I did, and it tastes really good, Mama Ray Ray. So you want to taste it and then let it boil for about 10 minutes. So it's going to do that, and then I'll show you the next step. So far, okay, everybody, we got the boiling liquid going, and we have added our pasta. We're using a box of gluten-free spaghetti by Barilla. You can use any kind of pasta you want, but a box of pasta, put it in there, let it boil for 5 to 10 more minutes, and then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, it was another 10 minutes for the gluten-free spaghetti to boil, and it's all ready to go. Best pasta dish ever, and it actually tastes really good. Thanks, Mama Ray Ray in the Kitchen. I'll link her original recipe video below. Have a great Monday.